In this video, let us do a third problem based on nature of roots. In the question, it is given, a pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 meters in such a way that the differences of its distances from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7 meters. Is it possible to do so? If yes, at what distances from two gates should the pole be erected? This is the question given to you. So it says you have a circular park and you have to erect a pole, on the circular park. And the pole has to be erected at a point which is on the boundary of a circular park. Boundary means on the circular park. On the circle it should be. So the pole has to be erected on the circular park boundary, and this circular park has diameter of 13 meters. Now the pole has to be erected in such a way that the distances, the distance or the difference of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed points or fixed gates A and B, is 7 meters. So I am drawing the figure. You have the circular park here, and as it is given, the diameter of the park is 13 meters, and the two gates are diametrically opposite. It is said diametrically opposite fixed gates. When it says diametrically opposite, means they are at the opposite parts of the opposite sides of the diameter. So if it is on this side, other gate is on the other side. So now you want to erect a pole in such a way. Now the pole has to be on the circular park. So let us take the point as here. Suppose let the point or the pole be erected at this point P. Now this pole has to be erected in such a way that the distance of the pole from this gate and this gate is, the difference is 7 meters. So the pole is erected in such a way. Now erected means what? Now you have a pole here. Suppose the pole has to be placed in such a way, that the distance of this pole from these 2 points, from this point and this point, the distance of the pole from this point and this point, difference of the distances is 7 meters. This is how you have to erect the pole. Now first you have to find out whether it is possible to erect such a pole. If it is possible, at what distances from the two gates should be the pole erected? So if such a situation is possible, then what should be the distance of the pole from gate A and gate B? So let us take P be the required location of the pole. So let the pole be erected at the point P. And at the distance of the pole, say from, you can take either point P or point A. So let the distance of the distance of the pole from the point B be x meters. That is BP is x meters. Now what is given to you? Differences of the distances of the pole from the two gates is 7 meters. The distance, that is what? AP minus BP is 7 meters. So pole is here. The distance of the pole from A and B is 7 meters. So AP minus BP is 7 meters. So what should be your AP? AP will be 7 plus BP. So AP is 7 plus BP is x meters. So 7 plus x meters. And AB is what? AB is 13 meters because it said it is the diameter of the circle. Now what will be angle APB? What will be this angle? Now since the pole has to be erected like this, the pole will make an angle of 90 degrees. It will be erected 90 degrees, correct? So angle APB is 90 degrees. Since it is a pole, it will be erected vertically to the ground. So the angle formed by the pole will be 90 degrees. Okay, so you get a right angle triangle here. Since it is like this, it will form 90 degrees with point A and B. Now in triangle APB, by Pythagoras theorem, you know AB square is AP square plus PP square. Okay, so after putting the values, you get the equation as 2x square plus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. 2 is taken common, so x square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now you got the equation. Next step is to find the discriminant. So let us find the discriminant. Here A is 1, B is 7 and C is minus 60. So B square minus 4AC is 7 square minus 4 into minus 60 and you get 289. Now 289 is greater than 0. Therefore you have got B square minus 4AC as greater than 0. So the equation has real roots. Now you can proceed and find the solution. So the roots are given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and on substituting I get this equal to minus 7 plus or minus 17, square root of 289 is 17 upon 2. So x is minus 7 plus 17 upon 2, or x is minus 7 minus 17 upon 2. So x is, this is 10, so 10 upon 2, or x is minus 24 upon 2. So x is 5 or x is minus 12. Now here x cannot be equal to minus 12 as it is the distance. Distance cannot be negative. So x should be equal to 5 meters. That is BP is 5 meters. So what is AP? AP is 7 plus x. So this is 12 meters. So you have got the distance of the pole from the two gates as 5 meters and 12 meters.